This video shows you how to create a Gmail account, which is also your Google account for YouTube, Google Drive, Docs, and more. So when people tell you, you need a Google account, this is what they mean. A Google account is a Gmail account, and a Gmail account is a Google account. There isn't a separate sign up. There isn't another login. So let me walk you through creating it step by step, slowly, with nothing assumed. Let's get started. All right, so here's just a plain old home screen, nothing fancy about it. I just logged into a guest account so that this was as close to what you might see as possible. So you're just going to go to gmail.com. And you should spell it correctly so that you get there. Boom. Okay, so you're gonna be here. It's gonna give all kinds of crap here. You don't need to worry about it. Just go to create an account for personal use. And then you're going to put your first name. I have a gazillion Gmail accounts, so what's another gazillion in one? So first name is Chrissy. Last name is F. I'm just going to put my initial. You don't even have to put a last name. Next. Your birthday. I'm going to put my actual date of birth in here so that you know when to send me a present. My gender. I am female, but I don't like to give them any data on this for some reason. I don't know why. It's just me. So rather not say. Then I hit next. Oh, look, they came up with some really creative email addresses for me. Good news. I don't like any of them. So I want to create my own. Remember, this is your email address. So whatever you feel comfortable giving out to people. If you want it to be, I'm the coolest 123, you have to see if that's available. Let's try. I'm the coolest 123. And you'll know, you can't use any punctuation, so you can't use like an extra apostrophe. So we'll know if it's available when I hit next. Oh, shocking. That was already taken. K. Fryrose. There you go. That's the email I picked. So just pick whatever you feel comfortable with, whatever you want it to be. I will put whatever password I want. And then you repeat it. And now the key here is for you to write it down so you don't forget it. I can wait. Okay, you got it written down? Next. So now we need to put a phone number in here, which I will block so you can't text me, because that would be weird. Next. Gonna get a verification code. Okay, so they suggest putting in a recovery email address, which I will do, and that is in the event that you wrote that password down and then you forgot where you put it. Or for whatever reason, you don't remember. So now it's going to say, hey, are you sure you're going to review your information? This is what you got. This is your email address and your name. We're good with that. And then you read through the privacy and terms, and I agree. This is just talking about you're going to get personalized ads. Sure. Boom. And that's it. You've created a Gmail account, which means you now have a Google account. You can use this to log in for YouTube, Google Drive, Docs, and other Google tools. If your next step is starting a YouTube channel, the next video I'm about to show you is exactly how to do that using this account that you just created. So I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.